The story of superheroes. Superheroes are special characters who use their powers to help people and protect the world from danger. They first appeared in comic books many years ago and quickly became very popular among children and adults. Each superhero has a unique story, costume, and special ability that makes them different from others. Some can fly high in the sky, while others have super strength or can move very fast. People love reading about their adventures because they teach us about courage and kindness. Superheroes make us believe that good can always win over evil. One of the most famous superheroes is Superman, who comes from another planet and uses his powers to save Earth. Another popular hero is Batman, who does not have superpowers but uses his intelligence and technology to fight crime. There is also Spider-Man, a young man who got his powers after being bitten by a special spider. These heroes became symbols of hope, justice, and bravery for many people. They show that anyone can make a difference if they believe in doing what is right. Their stories inspire generations to be brave and to help others in need. In modern times, superheroes are not just in comic books, but also in movies, TV shows, and games. People around the world love watching their stories because they are full of excitement and imagination. The Marvel and DC universes are two of the most famous groups that create superhero stories today. They give life to new heroes like Iron Man, Wonder Woman, and Black Panther, who each have their own missions and values. Through their stories, we learn about teamwork, loyalty, and never giving up. Superheroes continue to evolve, reflecting the dreams and challenges of every new generation. Superheroes are more than just fictional characters with amazing powers. They represent the best qualities of humanity, such as bravery, honesty, and compassion. When we see them fight for justice, we are reminded to do good in our own lives. They inspire us to help others, stand up against unfairness, and believe in a better world. Even though they live in imaginary worlds, their lessons are very real for us. That is why the story of superheroes will always remain an important part of our culture and imagination. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, comment, and follow us for more.